We're now told to go to J46 down here. So there's I46 with a number in, J46. We want to increase the sales by 2%, which is shown over here, per month. So the formula here is going to be equals to the previous month multiplied by 1 plus whatever's written in there, and we mustn't forget our dollar signs. So what will happen here is that sales will increase every month by 2%. So I should be able to copy it and paste it. You'll see we've got that growth. And then in I47 over here, we want to use a cost of sales based on the percentage in F47, and we need this to be a negative. So what we want is we're going to say equals negative whatever the sales is multiplied by that percentage. Again, put the dollar signs on, copy it and paste it, and you'll see the gross profit is calculated, and you can see it ties up with what the answer should be.